If your room looks messy or you just want a more professional background during meetings, virtual backgrounds in Zoom can help you look much better on camera. In this video, I will show you how to set one app step by step. First, open Zoom app on your computer and sign into your account. On the main screen, look at the top right corner and click the settings icon. Inside the settings menu, click the videos and effects and then background and effects. Here you will see several virtual background options already available. To use one, simply click on any background and Zoom will automatically replace your real background with the selected image. If you want to use your own background, click the plus icon and select add image. Now choose any picture from your computer. Many people use office backgrounds, clean rooms or simple colors to look more professional during meetings. For the best results, make sure your setting is a well-lit area and try to keep your camera steady. If you have a plain wall behind you, Zoom will also detect your background more accurately. You can test your background by starting a new meeting and checking how it looks on camera. And that is it. With Zoom virtual backgrounds, you can quickly improve how you appear in meetings and make your video calls look much more professional. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video has helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.